Following a spurt in COVID-19 cases in Assam, a 12-hour night curfew will be imposed across the northeastern state, 7 p.m. onwards on Friday, and a 14-day complete lockdown in Kamrup district, which includes the Guwahati city, from Sunday midnight. Out of 762 coronavirus cases recorded in Guwahati since June 15th, 677 have no travel history, though some may be contacts of returnees from other states, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said. Amid reports of fresh Chinese incursions in Ladakh, the Congress on Friday stepped up its attack, with party chief Sonia Gandhi asking the centre to disclose when and how it plans to push back Chinese troops from Indian territory. She said former military generals, security experts, and newspapers carrying satellite images have confirmed Chinese incursions. Shopping malls in Haryana's Gurugram will reopen from next week, 3 months after they were closed as part of the nationwide lockdown to battle coronavirus, officials have said. The malls will have to adhere to strict standard operating procedures. Religious places in Gurgaon will stay closed, however. The ruling BJP came out with 3 follow-up charges after Congress tried to corner the party over the China issue. BJP President JP Nadda in a tweet this morning released documents that he said showed that during the Manmohan Singh era, money from the Prime Minister's Relief Fund was diverted and donated to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Sonia Gandhi is chief of the foundation and the board includes Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, P. Chidambaram and Manmohan Singh. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today launched a counter-attack after the Uttar Pradesh government sent a notice to her over her comments alleging 2 girls were found pregnant at a child shelter home in the state. They can take whatever action they want, she said. I will keep putting forth the truth. I am Indira Gandhi's granddaughter, not an undeclared BJP spokesperson like some of the opposition leaders. The Central Board of Secondary Education has decided not to conduct the pending exams of Class 10 and 12 scheduled from July 1st. The board will announce the result on the basis of new marking system by July 15th. Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal in his tweet mentioned, students will be given the choice to decide if they want their results based on the methodology of assessment as decided by CBSE or choose to write the exams again. Addressing the press, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal cautioned residents that a major issue with coronavirus is that oxygen level of patients drops suddenly. Oxygen level should be 95, he said. If it drops below 90, then consider it dangerous, he warned, asking asymptomatic patients or those with mild symptoms who are under home isolation to monitor themselves using provided oximeters. He said some patients' oxygen levels became very low all of a sudden even though they showed no symptoms and they died suddenly. India Meteorological Department said that the southwest monsoon has further advanced into the remaining parts of Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab, therefore covering the entire country. The department also predicted rainfall in several parts of North and East India today. Light rainfall can be expected across Delhi and NCR.